What about inspiration? Like, I think a lot of designers go through a lot of websites to find inspiration. What are
Mm-hmm.
the places you go to, like just to find inspiration for a project or for a feature?
I think it's a very good question. So it actually depends on a designer actually. So whenever I have been referencing things like, going for inspiration and all, there was a time like back in the days where we used to work together. I think Dribble was a place,
Yeah.
Behance was a place. But those things have changed now. I mean, I still go to Dribble and Behance. It's not like I don't go to those places. But there are some new tools which have come up. Like, for example, there is layers.to. A lot of designers start adding this designs over there, and you get some amazing references from there. There is godly.website and all, which gives you, website references. There is landingbook
Hmm.
.com, one page love. Then there is awards website where you can kind of look at some amazing award winning websites and stuff. So this is like my workflow, I would say. Before jumping into some designs, I go to those set of places, create like some mood board, understand what others are doing. I try to build after that. It's just like not looking at just Dribble and saying that, okay, let's pick this component from here and just add it. But first, let's create a mood board, let's set the tonality, and then start working. I think it's not bad that you can go to Dribble or Behance. It's not like completely bad, but there are other good places also where you can go.
Interesting.
But this
Um.
was, but this
Hmm.
was again, this was 3 4 years back.
Yep.
These website link. Today you will be surprised. I go to Twitter for inspiration. Imagine. Twitter has become my go-to place because I've been following the right set of audience on Twitter. All the
Yep.
designers, all the product designers, all the UI designers, all brand designers, branding designers. So they post some amazing inspirations that you realize and you start bookmarking them one by one.
Yep. Yep.
And then you created one repository now on the
Yep.
site on Twitter also. So even if you don't find anything over here, you go to Twitter and look at all just the bookmarks one by one. You will find something that might just click, and then you start working. Right. So inspiration is found in this lamest possible places today. Right.
I'm
So
I'm going
it's
to
it's
I'm
up
going
to
to
you.
post I'm going to post all the people you follow, the inspiring designers cut Twitter handle here, if you guys are
Yeah.
on Twitter still.